I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Changing your plan with Telus online is pretty straightforward if you follow these steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Telus website and log into your account using your username and password. This will give you access to your account settings and plan options. Step 2. Navigate to Plan Management. Once logged in, find the section labeled Plan Management on My Plan. This is where you can view current plan and available options for changes. Step 3. Select Change Plan. In the Plan Management section, look for the option to change plan. Click on it to see the different plans available to you. Step 4. Review new plans. Browse through the new plans and select one that fits your needs. Make sure to check the details, such as data limits and pricing, before proceeding. Step 5. Confirm changes. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the ashrock.com link in the description to open a refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Sometimes, the new plan may have a different billing cycle, so double check that you're okay with any changes to your billing date. I hope this helps you make your plan change smoothly. If you have any other questions, feel free to ask.